Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About 97 we can put into 81 plus 16. This one that is about identities. So we have s minus number 9 to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus number 9 equals to number 4 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 16 tan t square, number 16, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have secant of t square. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have number 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square. And this one we have number 4 secant of t. And now we simplify. We have secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And now we can find the value of t equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan with octane, we have s minus number 9 over number 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.